The problem we're taking on with our project is sports betting, specifically in the NBA. Sports betting is almost impossible to get correct every night, but our project will help visualize the statistics between two teams and offer the best prediction for who will win and which players will score. The tool will allow a user to select two NBA teams from a menu and put them head to head. After picking teams using historical and current data, betting lines, and player statistics, the tool will generate the most data-supported props to watch or bet on. Our intended focus with this tool is Route 2, using the data to analyze and predict a well-supported solution. So the first page is going to be a step-by-step guide for the user when using the NBA Bet Finder. Step 1 is to select the teams. So you'll navigate to the drop-down menus on the sheet main dash that we'll be going through later. You'll choose team 1 or 2 from the list, and the dashboard will automatically load data for both of the teams selected. Step 2 is to view the team matchup summary. The user will see the side-by-side comparisons, such as average points and shooting percentages, win/loss records, head-to-head performance, and betting lines. So this will include money lines, spreads, totals, and it will populate automatically.
Step 3 is analyze player props. You can pick key players from each team can be selected. You compare the players' statistics from every position. And step 4, review recommended bets and place your bets. So you can see the current season averages. You can see the betting line alignment, and then you can place your bets in your preferred sportsbook.
So this tool mainly utilizes XLOOKUP, COUNTIF, IF, and filter functions in order to determine the team that is favored to win using a point system, and the selections of teams and players utilizes the data validation list option. So once a home and away team is selected using these drop downs, there are functions that display the team's respective stats using XLOOKUP, pulling data from different sheets, such as the players and team sheets, as you can see down below. This process is similar with the players, but using the filter function, the user can only select players that are on the respective team that is selected, as you can see. In order to find a favorite team, there's a point system that is put into place. For instance, the statistics for the teams and the players selected are compared using if and COUNTIF functions. And depending who has a better statistic, there is a point added for that respective team. For example, Miles Bridges has a lower or averages lower points than Steph Curry, so a point would go to the Golden State Warriors in terms of trying to find the favorite team. Home teams also get 3 added points to their tallied score. And finally, finding the result in the favorite team is displayed by using the sum for each of the tallies for each team and displays which one's greater.
One of our earliest issues and limitations to our tool was finding some way to get updated lines from sports books and making sure that they're updated with the NBA schedule. Currently, it's the playoffs, and the best thing we were able to find was a live API Excel add-on, and it was able to give us basically this table here, and it provided money lines for which team was favored and also selectable books depending on what the user prefers. And this was last updated yesterday during the Golden State and Houston Rockets games. As you can see, status was live, and then for these 5 books there. But one of our main issues was getting it to update with the API tool we were using. So when we first loaded up the tool, it would have this fetch and auto fetch, and it can automatically update from 5 to 3,600 seconds. But our issue with the free plan we were given is that it only allows up to 500 ticks. So after those 500 run out, it basically would stop updating, and it renews every month, but still made it impossible for us to keep it updating. But we were able to update it at least once and implement it into our tool, but that was our primary issue.
One of our most powerful features of our tool is our live updating chart, as you can see it on the right. When you select 2 teams from the drop-down menu, such as this, You can see it update in real time. Let me try it again. You can see it update in real time. This graph gives you a visual head-to-head comparison, comparing things like wins, losses, average points per game, and shooting percentages between the two teams. You can instantly see where one team has the edge over the other. This lets users make faster decisions because they're not just reading it, they're visualizing it.
Thank you for taking the time to learn about our tool, and we hope that you enjoyed it.